Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the series on the 1985 Black Pearl. I am over here at Scott's place. He's had the car for a couple of days, but I haven't gotten a lot of footage because it's been Christmas. But let's go in here and see where he's at. What's up, Scott? Whoa, how's it going in here? I see you've already well under the way on the Black Pearl.
I won the bet.
What bet was it?
You were going to be here before 4 o'clock.
I told Scott I was coming at 4, but I couldn't resist.
Liar.
Okay, so let me back up here. Looks like he's already started wet sanding, buffing. And I see the interior detail light is in there, so let's see what's going on in here. Hey, Sylvia. Oh, wow. Holy cow. Yeah, so clearly Sylvia has already finished these seats. These are amazing. Oh my gosh, this turned out like incredible. Got the floor mats out. And Sylvia, what all have you done in here? Are you already done with the interior?
I'm still working on the door.
On the doors, okay.
Yeah.
So you're just kind of making your way across there.
I've done all that. So the drivers, the back.
Oh, you've done the back too? Oh, nice. Yeah, I remember this back seat was really dirty. Yeah, that came out remarkable. Guys, that's the original leather, you guys. Oh man, it's beautiful. Oh, Scott's gonna put the detail light back here for us. There we go. All right, yeah, that cleaned up. Wow, that looks new. Yeah, that came out really good, you guys. And Scott, what are you doing?
Feel the leather.
Yeah, I felt it. It's super soft. And Scott, what are you doing on the exterior?
It's been sanded with 1500, and I did it with Trizac with 3000, and now I'm buffing.
So 1500, then 3000. And then buffing and polishing. Yeah, this is gonna come out real nice. So guys, I gotta run some more errands. I'm gonna go do that. Let me take a peek from the driver's side. I'm gonna go do that, then I'll come back later today. Scott, let me get a shot from over here. Yeah, wow, check that out.
I still haven't done the floors and all that stuff.
Okay, they're still gonna do the floors. There's our new wood trim, guys. That just looks remarkable. So anyway, they're gonna continue working on it today. I'm gonna go run some more errands and I'll be back in a second. Guys, Scott's using a heavy cut wool pad here. That's kind of the first stage of the buffing process. And guys, this is the tool you have to be very careful with and really have to know what you're doing. Especially on the parts of the hood that, you know, are contoured. All right, guys, I'm back a couple hours later, and looks like Scott may be done on the hood. Scott, are you done on the hood?
For the most part.
Wow, check that out. Yeah, that came out unbelievable. It's original paint, you guys. And he's now changed to the microfiber random orbital buffer. Working on the passenger side over here. And of course he has to finish going over the entire car. You can see where the wet sanding has been done. Get another shot of the interior. Yeah, I can see Sylvia has now finished cleaning under the floor mats. Guys, that's as good as it gets on an 85 300 SD. Look at these seats. That's real leather. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so we'll let them get back to it, and probably be back. It's Friday, so we'll be back on Monday. And I see Sylvia has finished shampooing and cleaning the carpets, and we're just applying the protective plastic so I don't get my dirty feet on it. And this stuff, guys, you can get this stuff at Home Depot, and it works great. So we'll get these covered, get these back in the car. I can see she's already finished cleaning the steering wheel, got the wrap on there. All right, guys, here we are. It's the next day. It's actually Saturday. Scott's been burning the midnight oil, and this thing is starting to come together. Looks like he is almost finished.
Getting there.
There we go. Doesn't get any better than this, guys. And remember, those were the original Bunt wheels. I have not repainted those. Look how amazing they came out. Also, guys, I want to show you some unique things on this car that the original owner did, and I'm not going to take them off. I mean, this is original to the car. He put a little Mercedes-Benz emblem. Let's see if I can get the, yeah, there's a little Mercedes emblem right there. Let me turn out the light, see if you can see that better. Yeah, there we go. Little Mercedes emblem. And then right here, his initials were engraved on this little plaque. I think it says JLS. It looks like JLS. But, you know, I think that's been on there for, gosh, 30 years. So I could put some like dental floss behind it and try to like cut through the glue that held it on. But, you know, I don't know what the paint's going to be like underneath that. So, you know, it's kind of cool. It's original to the car. And so, yeah, I'm not going to tamper with that. And it does not take away from the car at all. It's just kind of the history of this vehicle. Guess he's on the final, maybe the wax, final polish stage. Yeah, you can see he still needs to, looks like he's got a couple more panels here. Scott, is this polish? Is that what you're doing?
It's a mix of polish and compound.
Let me, guys, I'm going to pop the hood. They have cleaned and degreased the engine, and let me show you that. Holy cow. Oh my God, that came out amazing. Scott, that is remarkable. Guys, that's all the original zinc plating. I have not replated the parts on this engine. Scott, man, this came out beautiful.
It's great, Scott, to use this.
Oh, nice. I like how you got down here and cleaned up the inner fenders. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Did you guys go up here also?
Oh yeah,
on the,
I did all that.
Yeah, I can tell.
We did all that down in there too.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that came out amazing. And
because the back of the inside of those bumpers is yellow.
Wow. Oh, y'all got down behind the bumper.
Yeah, down in here.
Guys, they even cleaned back behind the bumper. Yeah, that is so nice. Guys, this is one of the nicest SDs I've had at the shop. I don't know if this one or that, I think there was I don't know if it was manganese brown, a 1981 model that I did, but these cars are right in the running. I don't know, I also had that silver on blue. That was a nice one, but the color combo here is what wins. I mean, black pearl metallic with the gray leather, that's really as good as it gets. Yeah, that just came out fantastic. And yeah, the previous owner replaced that hood pad, so that's already a new hood pad. Scott, you did a remarkable job on this thing. How many days you been working on this? What is this, day 4?
I think.
Something like that.
Yeah.
It's all a blur.
I lose track.
Oh, let me show them the chrome. Or I'm sorry, the anodized aluminum. That right there, guys, has never sat outside. Now, you know, it's 40 years old, so there's a little, there's a little nick there, little nick there. But I mean, this is 40 years old. That's what they're like. There's no such thing as a perfect 40-year-old car. Trunk came out great.
Feel it.
Oh man, yeah, that's remarkable. God, I hope this car is never parked outside. This is incredible. So yeah, he has to finish up on these areas, and this car will be done, you guys. We'll do one more peek at the interior, and then that's going to be it for this video. And you guys will see the final walk around. Let's go take a look in here. Now, keep in mind, we don't have the detail light in here right now. So here, let me turn on the overhead. Maybe that'll help a little bit.
The detail light.
No, that's fine. Because the detail I showed earlier in the video, yeah, check out the wood, you guys. And especially the, you know, that was all redone by Madeira Concepts. Brand new. Guys, that's as good as it gets. I cannot do any better than this. I'm really, really proud of this car. Also want to point out a little detail that Scott does. He has, is this the Worth stuff or your special concoction?
No, what I came up with.
Scott made this blend of it's some chemicals he rubs on the gaskets, and it absorbs into the rubber and softens it up.
You gotta do it more than once.
You do it multiple times over several days, but look at this rubber gasket. Yeah, let me show you the
Front one looks really good.
show you this one. Yeah, guys, that's an original gasket right there. Look how good that is. Look how soft it is. You can see it right here especially. Look at this.
I pull them up, and I do underneath the backside of them too.
Yeah, man, that's
Normally these are white.
Yeah, they turn white with age,
and then they start cracking.
Yeah, that's really, really,
So
really.
you have to do something for them.
That's a phenomenal gasket. Yeah, really nice. Watch how the door's shut too. I mean, it doesn't get any better. That's awesome. Yeah, check out the grill, you guys. There's not even any dings in the little aluminum strips here.
Yeah, that's actually.
That's remarkable. Shows a little aging on the star, but yeah, I mean look how bright the blue is. Yeah, there you go. It's pretty awesome.
Here comes the rain.
So anyway, that's it for the detailing video. The next video will be the walk around, and this thing is done. This has been a journey. This is an amazing 300 SD. So hope you enjoyed the series, and stay tuned for the walk around. We'll see you later. Take care.